Only got $100 to invest? Guess what? That's more than enough to start building wealth. Today I'm showing you 3 smart ways to start investing. Even if you're just getting started, no hype, no fluff, just simple steps that work, plus a bonus tip at the end. Let's go. First up, index funds through platforms that allow fractional shares. Even if one S&P 500 fund costs $400 plus, many apps let you invest just $5 or $10. Index funds give you instant diversification, like owning a slice of 500 companies at once. Second, REITs. These are companies that invest in real estate, and you can buy their shares like stocks. That means with just a few dollars, you're investing in apartments, malls, or offices without needing to buy a building. Third, yes, crypto, but not meme coins or hype tokens. Start with solid projects like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Some platforms let you start with just $1. Bonus tip, invest in you. Online courses, books, or even financial coaching can give you a bigger ROI than any stock or coin. Knowledge compounds, just like your money will. Here's the big takeaway. You don't need thousands to start investing. You just need the right mindset and a smart plan. Start small. Be consistent. Let compound growth do its thing. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know. How would you invest your first $100?